Affiliate marketing struggles? Try using these tips. Affiliate marketing is able to draw so many people in because there's a myth going around that it's an easy thing to do. Pushing someone else's product might seem simple on its face. After all, it's the company's brand and promotion that's ultimately selling the product. Right? Wrong? If this is how you think being an affiliate works, you need to watch this video. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. One of the best ways to increase your affiliate expertise level is to study what other marketers are doing with similar products. By viewing their tactics, you will understand how they attract people to their sites and ultimately send them to the main company's site to become customers. It's a working method that can help you increase commissions. You should always be aware of the payout structure of your affiliate product. It is fine to go with a product that generates only one payout, but products that offer recurring payments and even upsell offers are the ones you should be going after with the most gusto. You're in this game to make money. As you've undoubtedly learned from the tips provided in the video above, you are essentially the company, the brand, even though it isn't really your product. You still have to treat affiliate marketing as your legitimate business, and the tips you've learned throughout this video will help you to brand yourself online. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.